Surprise, neighbors. It's Miss C, and you're in the place to be, and where that is right here on Miss C's Corner, baby. Thank all of you that have your notifications on. I let y'all know why. Well, not exactly why I didn't put a video out yesterday, because I couldn't. But today I said I was gonna drop y'all a video, and surprise, your girl didn't cut all her hair. Well, not all of it, but the majority of it. And I know some of y'all screaming and crying and hollering because y'all love my natural long curly hair. But y'all know what? It's summertime, fine time. Okay, it's too hot out here. I don't know what's going on in this world, but it's hot. Okay, and your girl wasn't coping good with all that hair. So I cut it off, y'all. Look at my new do. I still be putting on my wigs when I do certain videos, okay? Or when I be doing wig reviews. But as of right now, baby, when I go out, this is how I'm gonna go out. So if you see me and you see, dang, that's a pretty big woman, that kind of like Miss C, but Miss C got long hair. Miss C don't have long hair no more, okay? My mama and daddy gone, and I ain't scared to cut my hair no more. But as long as they was here, I was not gonna cut my hair. I was scared of my mama and my daddy. Don't play with me. If you grew up scared of your parents, put something down below. Let me know. I ain't the only one, cause I was not gonna cut my hair, but y'all, I'm loving it. Like, I can, when I comb my hair, I can feel the comb on my scalp. When I wash it, it's so much easier. Like, my bonnet don't stay on at nighttime. So any short hair girls out there, I'm new to the short crew and everything, so I need y'all to give me some pointers. But I did the big chop because it's summertime and it's hot as hell out here in H-Town and in Galveston and everywhere else. And I just wanted a brand new start. I've been having my hair long since I was a little girl, and I was finding it hard for me to push forward and move forward in my life, so I had to make a big decision, and I just wanted to start over. And what better way to start over than doing the big chop like Angela Bassett and waiting to his hair, baby. Out with the old, in with the new. So I did the big chop because I was just ready for a new start, and what better than to do a hair journey and get my hair more healthy. Because I did, like with long hair, I don't care, especially black people hair, okay? We put perms in our hair, we put weave in our hair, we put different chemicals in our hair. So even if your hair is long, you're gonna have some split ends, okay? And even though my hair was long and beautiful and it curled up or whatever, curled up, like, I still had split ends, and my hair was frizzy and puffy when it was dry. And you know what? I just said, I was tired of it. So y'all, I cut my hair. I can't believe I'm doing this video, because I cut it, but it took me a while to get up on here because I wasn't sure if I was gonna show the world my new do. I wasn't ready. I was ready for me, but I wasn't ready to show y'all. But right about now, I'm ready to show you, because whoever love it, love it. Whoever don't can kiss me. They know where they can go, because I ain't worried about it. I'm grown. See, young ladies that's watching me right now, when you get grown, you don't care what nobody got to say about you, because they don't pay your bills. They not buying you no groceries. They not worried or caring about you. They not doing nothing for you. So people that don't benefit you in your life or care about you or love you, their opinion really don't matter, because opinion is like a booty hole. Everybody got one, okay? So you can't be listening to everybody. You do what's best for you. I wanted to do the big chop. I wanted to go on this hair journey because, like I said, the past is the past, and what better way to move forward with a new do, okay, boo-boo? So I know this video is not long. If you have any questions for me, leave it down below. But your girl finna go get out in these streets. It's summertime. I got my little summer dress on, my little hair all done up, got some little lipstick on, dangly earrings. Okay, if you got short hair, as I say, give me some pointers down below what I need to do, because I'm still a little bit scared. Like on the inside, I'm still a little bit scared, but I'm doing it afraid, okay? Like Joyce might say, sometimes you just got to jump out on faith and you just got to do stuff. You feel me? So I don't know what I'm doing with this short hair, but my barber got me right, don't he, ladies? Yes, honey. He had me right. So yeah, I'm finna get out in these streets and do what I do best. So I love y'all. Thank you for joining me, Missy, in the place to be. Hey, and where that is right here on Missy's Corner. Hey, on Missy's Corner. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Say like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, and subscribe, neighbor. And I'll see you next time.